It's not 6, it's 9. So close. Just over 3, just over a yard of a tail. Whoop. Okay. Anyways, there we go. So I know that this is the top and this is the bottom here. I'll cut the end. This is where I wove in that edge. If you feel like something is going to come out, use fabric glue if you want to on here. The one that can be washed and dried. And my name tag has been through the washer. And at the end, I used my hair straightener to flatten it out, and it made it so smooth and flat. But we will get into that later. All righty. All righty. Let's put, okay, let's go put this one up. The little space where it came out of still had the hole there. That's funny. What y'all talking about, people? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, Amy, I'm working on something. I didn't know what it was that I wanted. I had seen something and I could not find it because I didn't know what it was called. And it's been in my mind. And then I did this little collar here, a choker. And I thought, what I want is one time I saw it was like a scarf around the neck and it was pretty form fitting. So I guess it would have to have an opening. Form fitting, and then at right here at your shoulders, it flared out and it was just beautiful crochet. And so I just called it, I told my computer, my messenger, create a, I think it was something like neck collar, crocheted neck collar scarf, fitted to the neck or something like that. And it came up with such beautiful stuff. So I started working on that. Let me take this off. I'm going to show it to y'all. I said I wasn't going to show it to y'all, but I'm going to show it to y'all. Okay, this is caught in my. Oh, while I take it off, I can show it to you guys. So my hair's got stuck to it. Okay, so this is how I finished it off. Sorry about my hair. I finished it off like this at the ends, and I did not, what do you call it, block it yet, but I should. I probably should. And I put a long chain here, and at the chain I made a bobble. That way, it would not, when you put a bow, it won't pull through, right? So it has a bobble. The other end has a bobble as well. And this is with all embroidery floss. So I see something here. Okay. So anyways, and then you can use it as a headband also. Look at that. How adorable is that? I might have to do that. Okay. So my first attempt to this thing was this. It looks like a mini skirt or some sort of top for a little skinny girl. But no, it is a neck scarf for the winter. And by the way, oh, there goes my hair bun thingies. And I want it to be folded in like this. And it's just a scarf you would wear. Sorry if I'm hitting my microphone. You know, over your clothes. If you wore all black, you wore pink or whatever, you have it on here. You could just put your coat on and it's just your scarf. You can hide your nose in here. You can have it taller, if you wanted to. I still haven't finished the ends because I did not like it, but I like this for this. Okay, so I'm gonna tie in the ends. Also, I wanted to make them longer to where, it was like a little snood, but this one is not that. Okay, I totally just messed up my hair. That's okay. So my second one that I made is this one, and it's a little bigger, and I've got to block it, and I think I'm gonna iron it. And I like that it's just open right here, and it would be something I would put on top of something, maybe, I don't know. But then my daughter came over and she took some funny pictures of me. Let me see if I can put it as, how do you do the background?